When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your Redmond home, window replacement is one of the most effective and impactful upgrades you can make. Old or inefficient windows can lead to heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, making your heating and cooling systems work harder and driving up energy costs. By opting for energy-efficient window replacement, you can significantly reduce your utility bills while enhancing the comfort and aesthetic of your home. In this article, we'll explore the best energy-efficient window replacement options for Redmond homeowners, helping you choose the right windows to maximize comfort and savings. Double or triple pane windows. One of the most significant factors that contribute to a window's energy efficiency is the number of panes it has. Single-pane windows are the least energy-efficient option, offering minimal insulation. On the other hand, double-pane and triple-pane windows are designed to provide much better insulation, reducing heat transfer and improving the overall energy efficiency of your home. Double-pane windows. These windows consist of two layers of glass with an insulating layer of air or gas between them. The air or gas acts as a barrier to heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve insulation without breaking the bank. Triple-pane windows. For maximum energy efficiency, triple-pane windows offer 3 layers of glass with 2 insulating layers between them. Triple-pane windows provide superior thermal performance, making them ideal for homes in regions like Redmond, where winters can be cold and summers can get warm. While more expensive, they are a great long-term investment for reducing energy bills. Low-E glass windows. Low emissivity. Low-E glass is an energy-efficient window option that can significantly improve your home's insulation properties. Low-E glass has a special coating that reflects heat back into the room during winter and blocks harmful UV rays in the summer. This reduces the amount of heat entering or escaping through your windows, resulting in better temperature control and lower energy bills. Benefits in winter. In colder months, low-E glass helps to retain heat inside the home, making your heating system more efficient. By reflecting heat back into your home, low-E glass helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature without overworking your furnace. Benefits in summer. During warmer months, low-E coatings reflect the sun's rays, preventing excessive heat from entering your home. This helps keep your air conditioning system from running constantly, reducing your cooling costs. Argon and krypton gas-filled windows. To improve the insulation properties of double-pane or triple-pane windows, manufacturers often fill the space between the glass panes with argon or krypton gas. Both of these gases are denser than air, making them effective at reducing heat transfer and improving thermal efficiency. Argon gas. Argon is a colorless, odorless, and non-toxic gas that is commonly used to fill the gaps between window panes. It is an affordable option that offers good insulation and is ideal for homeowners looking for an energy-efficient window replacement without the premium cost of other gases. Krypton gas. Krypton is a more expensive option than argon but provides even better insulation, especially for windows with smaller gaps between panes. If you're looking for the highest performance in terms of energy efficiency, Krypton gas-filled windows are an excellent choice, particularly for homes in colder climates. Vinyl or fiberglass window frames. While the glass itself plays a key role in energy efficiency, the material of the window frame also affects the performance of your windows. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are both excellent choices for improving the energy efficiency of your home. Vinyl frames. Vinyl frames are known for their excellent insulating properties, as they don't conduct heat the way metal frames do. They also tend to be low maintenance and affordable, making them a popular option for many homeowners. Vinyl frames help reduce heat transfer and prevent drafts, contributing to better overall insulation. Fiberglass frames. Fiberglass frames are another energy-efficient option, offering superior insulation and durability. They are also resistant to warping, cracking, and shrinking, making them a great long-term investment. While they tend to be more expensive than vinyl, fiberglass frames offer excellent thermal performance and a sleek, modern look. ENERGY STAR rated windows. When shopping for energy-efficient windows, look for the ENERGY STAR label. This label indicates that the window meets the standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, for energy efficiency. ENERGY STAR rated windows are designed to provide better insulation, reduce heat transfer, and minimize air leaks. Performance standards. ENERGY STAR windows are tested for their performance in various climates, so you can find the best option for your specific needs in Redmond. Whether you're dealing with cold winters or hot summers, ENERGY STAR rated windows are engineered to provide year-round comfort while reducing your energy consumption. Cost savings. While ENERGY STAR windows can be slightly more expensive up front, they provide long-term savings by lowering your heating and cooling costs. Over time, the reduced energy bills make these windows a cost-effective choice for homeowners looking to invest in both comfort and sustainability. Window installation and sealing. In addition to selecting the right type of window, proper installation is crucial for maximizing energy efficiency. Even the best energy-efficient window will underperform if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, improper sealing, and poor alignment can lead to air leaks, reducing the effectiveness of the window. Professional installation. Hiring a professional window installer ensures that your windows are properly measured, sealed, and aligned. A professional can also help with weather stripping and caulking around the window frame to eliminate drafts and further improve the window's insulation. Conclusion. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options in Redmond is an excellent way to improve your home's comfort, appearance, and energy performance. From double pane and triple pane windows to low-E coatings and gas-filled glass, the right window choice can make a significant difference in reducing energy consumption and lowering your utility bills. Pair these advanced window technologies with vinyl or fiberglass frames for optimal insulation and durability, and ensure professional installation to achieve the best results. With the right energy-efficient windows, you can create a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment in your Redmond home for years to come.